guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have our February Boxycharm unboxings. We have the premium box and the base box. So let's go ahead and see what we got. We're going to start with the base box. Theme this month is XOXO. The first thing that I see is by Saturday Skin, their Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. It's a 1.69 fluid ounce. Here's what the package looks like. Oh, and it comes with a little spatula for you to use here. I like sleep masks, especially in the winter because my skin's so dry. Ooh, and it has little hunks in there. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but it has like little granules. It smells kind of like a light lemon scent. And for that, it says that it's a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. Retails for $29. And then we have just the brush set, and then the little glittery plastic pouch here by Glamier. And here is what they look like, and they have little floating hearts inside. You can see, just like a 4-piece eye brush set. It says glittery, enchanting, and fun. The set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless, and it retails for $29.95. And then we have by Tristiq the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. I've had this mascara before. I got it in another box. I don't remember if it was Boxycharm or something else, but I don't really care for the mascara, to be honest. So I'm going to put that in a giveaway because someone else may like it. It says an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil, formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. The pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision. Retails for $44. Then we have by St. Lux their limited edition liner duo. Here's the colors and the packaging. Like a dark nude and pretty much a brown. It says this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlapping lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. Retails for $40. And then the last thing in the base box is by Wonder Beauty, their Getaway Eye and Face Palette. And there's what the packaging looks like. And then here we have it. It's kind of like a natural everyday palette. Something that's really good for me, especially for like travel, because I stick to a lot of more natural, easy looks when I'm traveling. And it says your go-to palette for the perfect getaway. Featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter. Enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Retails for $36. And I'll have here, guys, on the screen the total for each box so you can compare the two. Now we're going to get into premium. Same thing. And the first thing that I have is by Glam Glow, their Super Mattifies 6-Asset Clarifying Primer. So it has all-day oil control, smooth, and minimizes pores. Here's what the packaging looks like. It says it's a lightweight oil control primer for acne-prone skin that instantly mattifies and helps keep shine in check all day so makeup looks on point. Retails for $42. Then by Alamar Cosmetics, we have their Pero Primero Primer, long wear, sticky pigment base. It says it's a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. Retails for $15. Then by Laura Mercier, we have their Matte Radiance Baked Powder in the shade Highlight 101. I think it's like a soft highlight. And there's what that looks like. It doesn't show up much on my skin tone, but yeah, kind of like a more natural highlight. Not too shiny. It's an ultra smooth baked face powder that provides natural color with soft matte radiance. Retails for $44. It's kind of up there for that type of product. But next we have by KVD Beauty their Epic Curl Lash Primer. This is cool. I've never tried their lash primer. And usually I don't like lash primers because usually they're white and they're hard to cover up with mascara. But this one's like a gray color, so I think I may enjoy this one. That's what that looks like. This is the ultimate lash curler in a tube, giving you legendary lift and curl powered by bamboo powder. The innovative vegan formula delivers similar curl, lift, and hold as an eyelash curler with no damage and no tools. Retails for $24. Then we have by Love Script their Décolleté and Neck Cream. Never had one of these that are specified for your décolleté and neck, but hey, I do typically take my moisturizer down there anyway, just to help with aging and dry skin and things like that. That's what the packaging looks like. It says this decadent, nutrient-rich leave-on cream mask will envelop the delicate skin of your décolleté and neck, reveal a velvety soft texture, and restore its youthful contour and tone. Formulated with nutrient-rich protein, and plus probiotic complex, restorative extracts of white truffle and black currant bud, and a luxurious blend of shea and cocoa butter and heavenly essential oils. This mask makes a delicious nightly treatment cream. Retails for $58. Smells really nice. Then the last thing I got is by Ebates. I may not be saying this right at all. Ebates, California, their Blue Aura Turmeric and Holy Basil Cleansing Water. And that comes in a glass bottle. So really nice packaging. That one says it's a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying Ayurvedic herbs, this cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step, specifically formulated to combat skin-damaging pollutants before they take their toll. Retails for $39. And that's all I got this month, guys, in both of my Boxycharms. I'll have the premium price here again, just like the base, so you can compare the two. Please hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.